So question number 21, viewers, let us read the question. In the grid provided, the coordinates of points P and Q are 3, 3 and 8, 5 respectively. Vector PQ is also shown. So we have PQ is shown, and we can see the Cartesian plane. So express PQ as a column vector. So learners, if we have P is 3, 3 and Q is 8, 8, 5. So in vectors PQ simply mean we take Q minus P. So if I take 8, 5, then minus 3, 3, this will give me 8 minus 3 is 5, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So that is how vector PQ is supposed to be expressed. Then B, two vectors A 3 minus 1 and B minus 1 4 are such that Ka plus HB is equal to PQ, where K and H are scalars. Roman 1, determine the values of K and H. So this is a very simple question. We have Ka and we have HB, so that means K into 3 negative 1, then plus B into plus H minus 4 minus 1 4. This one should give us what? Should give us PQ. But what is PQ? It is 5 2. So here we have 5 2. So if I just take K times 3, that will give me what? And then I'm so sorry, because if I take H minus times minus 1, that will be minus 1, learners. So it will be minus H is equal to 5. That is my first equation. This is equation 1. And then the second one, if I take K times minus 1, that will be minus K, and this will be plus H times 4 is 4H is equal to positive 2. So I just need to use elimination method here. I need to use elimination methods. I can decide to eliminate K by multiplying this one by 1 and this one by 3, so that I have 3K minus H being equal to 5, and then minus 3K plus 12H being equal to 6. So these are the equations I have. So if I just use elimination by simply I just use addition, can just use addition. So 3K plus minus 3K, that will give me what? Will give me 0. Then minus H plus 12, the same as minus H plus 12. H, that is 11H, equals to 5 plus 6 is 11. So over 11 over 11. So the value of H is equal to 1. So if H is equal to 1, if H here is equal to 1, then how do we get the value of K? Just substituting the value of H in one of the equations. Let me just pick this equation. Minus H is equal to 5, such that where there is H, I put 1 to be 3K minus 1 is equal to 5. So 3K is equal to 5 plus 1, 3K is equal to 6. So divided by 3, divided by 3. Therefore, the value of K is 2. Yeah, so here we have B1, so there are two values, and then here we get our M1, and definitely here we also have another M1. So if we do this, then here shall have scored all the 4 marks for this particular question. Yeah, then question number B, Roman 2. On the same grid, from point P, represent by accurate drawing the sum of vectors Ka and Hb. Now, so Ka, what is the value of K? We have just obtained the value of K as 2 here, and the vector, so that means Ka will be 2 into, so we have seen here that A was 3 minus 1. So this one simplifies to 6 minus 2. Yeah, then we have Hb. So Hb, don't forget to put the wave. Hb is equal to, so the value of K of H was 1. So 1 into minus 1, 4. So this one gives us minus 1, positive 4. So these ones I will show you, because we have been told to represent by accurate drawing the sum of vectors Ka and Hb. I will show you that, learners, on the grid. Let's look at the last one. Determine the magnitude of vector Ka. The magnitude. So what is K? K is 2 and A is 3 minus 1. Yeah, so I will just write here 2 into 3 minus 1. That gives us 6 minus 2. And then magnitude, we just take, there is a formula, we take x squared then plus y squared. So x squared plus y squared. So here, this is our x value and this is our y value. So I will take 6 squared and then plus minus 2 also squared. This will give us 36, and then plus, of course, plus 4, which gives us what? The square root of 40. The square root of 40, learners, is either, we can express it either in third form. In third form, it will be 2 root 10 units, or in decimal, you can write 6 points. Yeah, square root 46.325 units to 4 significant figures. That is how we do this. Now, back to this question. Where now we are to show on this one, just right here on the grid. Yeah, on the grids. Then we go back to the grids. Go back to where the grid. Then you show the examiner. We've been told that the question was on the grid on the same grid from point P, represent by accurate drawing the sum of vectors Ka and Hb. I'll just show you here. Just draw a straight line from point P, another one from point Q here, because it is P and Q. Yeah, it is P and Q. So these two, just join them from here. Draw a set line up to this point, and then from P a set line up to this point. Are we there, learners? Yeah, so just join, and yeah, then you label this one as Ka and this one as Hb. So if you do that, you shall have answered the question. So thank you very much, learners. If you have any question, this is vectors 1 from 2 chapter number 20. May God bless you.